Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we saw how to fetch weather data from the MySQL database using NodeRed and show it in the React table. Also, we have implemented search option and also delete the data from the database. So today, we are going to learn how can we use this weather data API created in NodeRed with React. In this guide, we will explore how to integrate a backend API specifically designed to handle weather data into a React project. Our API utilizes the NodeRed, a flow-based development tool for visualizing programming. To capture weather information such as temperature, humidity, and pressure, the data is then stored into the MySQL database and made accessible via HTTP request. Before diving into the implementation details, let's briefly overview the key components of setup. NodeRed flow. This is where the magic happens. We have designed a NodeRed flow that receives weather data from UI form. We designed it in React, processes it, and inserts into the MySQL database. So MySQL database node. We will use this MySQL to store our weather data. This database will store information such as temperature, humidity, pressure, and timestamp for each data point. HTTP endpoints. NodeRed exposes the HTTP endpoints to interact with API. These endpoints allow us to perform applications like adding new weather data or retrieving existing data. React frontend. Finally, we will be building a React frontend to consume API. We will create components to display weather data fetched from the backend and allow users to add new data points. Let's dive into the React coding section. I will be showing how we need to use this API and store the data entered into the database from the UI. So let's jump into the React screen now. So as you can see, we are in the React screen now. So here I'll be creating an input from JSX file where I'll be this is the component where I'll be capturing the temperature, humidity, and pressure details from the screen. Okay, so let's design this form now. So I'll be using the Axios to use as a fetch method. Okay, consuming the API. So I'll be creating text fields where it will be taking the details of temperature, humidity, pressure, and etc. So these are some text fields. I'll be just adding it here. So I'll be adding one button on submit. Okay. So the data which we are entering the forms will be storing in this variable. Okay, using this method toState. So I'll be creating one function here on handle submit. So in this handle submit, I'll be fetching all those data and try to post the data into the DB. So here I'll be calling an event.prevent default so that it will be like page don't load after submit or after clicking on the submit button. So here is my Axios code where I'll be calling this post method. So whatever the data we are entering, so on click of submit, those data will be posted into the database. So I'll be providing this code in the description. You can just go and download. So here I'll be calling that component here in the app.js before the after the my table component. As you can see, I'll be adding this here. So if you can go and check the UI, you can see that data will be present. So before that, I'll need to add a props here. Okay, because I need to update the table automatically when the submit button is clicked. So I'll be using this code to do that. Let me add the props here also in my table. On click of a submit button, this should get triggered and the table should be updated accordingly. As you can see, when we enter the details here, I'm going to give the details like temperature, humidity, and pressure. On click of submit button, you can see that the table is getting updated. Even you can see in the database it's getting updated. Okay. So you can see that the delete is also happening accordingly. I'm able to insert data, fetch data, and delete data. Hope you got this, the functionality, how it works. So in this tutorial, I explained only how to insert the data and render it into the table. So in coming videos, I'll be showing how to update the data from the UI, React UI. Okay. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.